Does pronouncing the word comfortable make you uncomfortable?
So Khalid, do you feel nervous or comfortable about tomorrow's test?
Oh my god, what is it? It is comfortable? Comfortable? I feel comfortable.
I think we've all felt like Khalid before. And comfortable is a really tricky word. Technically, this word has 4 syllables, right? Comfortable. The first syllable is our stressed syllable, comfortable. When we say this, we only say it with 3, comfortable. And in American English pronunciation, that T sound at the beginning of our second syllable sounds more like a D. Comforter, comforter, comfortable. Let's say it. I'll say it. You say it after me. Comfortable, comfortable. I'll say it a little bit faster. Comfortable, comfortable. Keep practicing. Listen to my pronunciation. Then you try it. Keep practicing until you feel totally comfortable.